What's up, chess players? I want to share with you the whole decision-making process here and what type of challenges you get on different levels. So here I'm playing a 5 minutes game against a 1800 rated player, and he's playing bishop f5. It's kind of the London system as black as I see it, and let's see what I can do against it. So my approach is always the same. Try to develop all of the pieces, control the center, make sure that your king is safe, and then you're gonna create a lot of threats. But let's talk about some middle game strategies here, the key principles that you should always follow. I'm gonna bring the bishop here to g2, just to put some pressure, and eventually, of course, I want to play the move e4. He's doing something weird with f6, not a typical move you see, but I don't care. I just proceed with my ideas. He can do whatever bet he can do. It's up to him, and I just want, you never want to spend so many moves with one piece. It's just the opposite of what I'm always teaching, the golden rule: one move for one piece. And so that is what I'm trying to do here. I don't know, I can play e4 immediately, but let's just bring a new piece, just following my plan, showing you how... Wow, what? To d7, I mean, it's very weird. Why would you do that? Okay, whatever, let's play e4, I guess that's the time for that. What's going on here? The guy is just out of his mind completely. Okay, how do we destroy it? How do we prove that you can't play chess like that? I guess you should open up the position, because if the king is in the center of the board and you want to attack it, you need to open up the position. Because, for example, this diagonal would be opened, I could deliver a check there, and yeah, what do you do here? I mean, if you don't take, then I'm gonna just take myself and maybe even sacrifice the rook. Okay, he's going for it. Let me take. I mean, queen a4 should be winning straight away here, because knight c6 I have d5 with a fork. And if the king goes somewhere, I mean, the bishop is hanging, so it can go somewhere like c8. And if it goes to e7, there is d5, winning the bishop. If it goes to d6, I mean, if you see the king on d6 in the opening, you don't even need to calculate the variations, right? Knight b5, I mean, something. So I like the move queen to a4 check. But the way he plays is extremely weird. I mean, it's 1800 rated player. You're supposed to play normal chess at that level. Or if I'm wrong here, just let me know in the comments. But my understanding of 1800 level is something like a normal chess player who is trying to come up with some ideas. Yeah, tell me, guys, what you think about it. This king on d7 you can never survive, and I guess I'm proving it the right way. I'm opening up the position, and that allows me, I don't know, rook d1. I mean, it's not winning immediately because of bishop d6, but there is knight e4. Yes, that is very convincing, at least to my eyes. I hope that after this game my opponent would never play that again, because why on earth would you want to suffer like that? I don't know. Okay, maybe it's time to resign now. No, it's not. Do I take with a knight or with a rook? Does it make any difference? I guess it doesn't. And I just like to take with a knight because I enjoy my rook so much. Okay, he takes, and it's the same. And yeah, I just want to bring this principle home. It doesn't matter how many extra pieces you have. You want to develop all of it just to enjoy that entire advantage in terms of the material. Because who cares if you are a queen up if you are not using it, right? So I want to bring all of those players to the football pitch and then really make use of it. Okay, knight to d5. That is the first active piece in my opponent's camp. I can just play h3. Once again, I want to bring more pieces, so I want this bishop to work, but I can't do that because of the pin. Now I can do that. Knight d4, the knight is working, queen takes c6 is a threat, and the bishop is working. All of the pieces are taking part. That is the dream case scenario that I'm always trying to achieve. And by the way, I recommend you do the same thing in your games. Okay, maybe now it's time to resign. Bishop d7, I can just take it. Yeah, I mean, normally if you have a lot of pieces, you should just exchange, and then it's very clear what's going on. Bishop takes d5. Do I have something better than that? Maybe queen e4. 24 check, and then just rook takes d5 just to deliver a checkmate faster. He might gonna try to escape, but let's just take. d7. Those rooks are completely useless here. Bishop takes, and the second bishop is coming. Or like that. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it. A very crazy game. I don't know why my opponent did that, but still I have shown you my ideas how you can use the mistakes of your opponent. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. And in this game, I share with you another very instructive game. I guarantee you're gonna enjoy it and learn something new and improve your chess, so definitely take a look.